He knows even a tiny paw hold makes her sleep deeper. That hug says everything. No one touches my little human.
Wiesz, to wiedza ma prowadzić twoje zmysły. Wymaga mądrości, które tobie najwyraźniej brakuje.
Honestly, this cat deserves an award for a role he never auditioned for.
Ну что ты докопался до кошки? Опа.
Ai, sim.
Two tiny critics, one screen, judging every video like pros.
What y'all be doing to them cats to make them hate you? Cause this mine. This how mine be. So y'all be terrorizing them cats and trying to make them.
Good boy, Jepson. Oh, so gentle. Oh, good boy. Such a good boy.
He acts cool, but can't walk 3 steps without checking on her.
Tá bom, silêncio. Tá dormindo? É gostoso, né?
After climbing around all day, he finally learned babies are the safest place to land. Bro, come check out our guest. Protect mode on.
Tudo certo por aqui. Todo mundo dormindo já.
Some cats want tuna. This one just wants to see a kid laugh. Do cats normally sit this still? Nope. This is love mode. See the magic? One cat, and suddenly the whole room is calm.
Frozen pea.
Don't you dare do that.
Dang it, we need frozen.
Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare eat those toes. Yeah.
Nope. He's inspecting his tiny human's territory with full enthusiasm.
실제로 인생을 멈추네. 가로크. 아래에서. 이놈의 가까이지.
기라니까.
He's not trying to be human. He's just trying to keep her smiling.
Find the kitty. Be gentle. Be gentle.
You love him? Baby, yes. Baby. Is that your baby? Oh.
Big Bro knows staying still is the key to keeping her safe. meal and massage combo. This cat is a babysitting pro. When your furry brother runs the block, you always feel safe. No degree, no training, just pure instinct and endless love.
It's the first time Buffy's seen. Oh.
Parents think no one will love their child more. Then a cat proves them wrong. With this two-factor security system, even a fly thinks twice. Whoa there, buddy. She can do it. Doesn't mean you can't cheer her on. Not all siblings are human. Some arrive with whiskers and tiny paws.
B, Fallon, you both be nice with each other.
You look cute. You being gentle with her? Oh, did she give you a nose touch? Oh.
Everybody, look at my fancy butthole. I mean, everybody does look. It's pretty great, but don't need to brag. But it's okay.
One sniff was enough. She's family now. Some people get lucky, some get a baby, and a furry guardian. That tiny smirk? Yeah, that's the confident, I'm her guardian look.
And then Mom. Pom-poms out and pom-poms are not about storage.
Science says cuddling cats reduces stress, and this angel took it personally.
Cape el carrito.
So I will do that. As a matter of fact, I was actually tempted. That's part of the reason, why I stepped out on the porch yesterday afternoon, because it was so crowded.
It started as owner and pet, now it's siblings for life.
Whoosh!
Beautiful, isn't it? The one who needed comfort now gives it back.
What's that? YouTube защищает Лизу.
No seatbelt, no problem. Trust and good vibes only. That's not a hug. That's him claiming his human forever.
Hey, are you his buddy? You hanging out?
Ну давайте знакомиться. Не надо, я вас боюсь. Ну почему же?
Not every cat becomes an older brother, but this one nailed it. Not sure who's protecting who, but both are thriving.
Ciukaj, Zuzie, ciukaj, tak, ślicznie, ciukaj. No ciukaj, tak. Ciuk. Ciukaj, tak, ślicznie, kocica, ciuka.
He's not blocking the baby. He's enforcing the no danger ever rule. Look at his face. This bodyguard just met his very first client. If anyone understands nap time, it's this fluffy little expert.
Отпускай.
That smile says it all. Emotional support sunshine has arrived. Unproven fact, every legendary friendship starts with one shared screen. She's not just watching, she's blessing the baby with every gentle lick.
Ooh. Ooh.
Those ears catch everything. Pretty sure they're having a secret chat.
Ya Allah peningnya. Ya Allah peningnya.
Oh boy, again, fine. Come here, you can hug me instead.
Cici? Cici oğlum. Cici gece. Cici.
That's not just watching, that's pure guardian energy, wrapped in fur. Nighttime can be scary, but not when he's on duty.
He's so cute.
That's right, kiddo. You're learning fast. This is the fall asleep instantly pose.
Is that your kitty? Is she getting you?
There's one thing.
Mia! Get out of his ear! Leave him alone! Oh, okay, guys, I know.
Sleepy or not, Big Bro never forgets his mission.
a kitty? Be gentle. Be gentle.
Junge, pass auf, weil die Noelia will dich beißen, du.
Not feeding time, just a snack-fueled alliance between best friends. Now he's using every cat skill he owns. Ma'am, he's not a kitten anymore.
Everybody.
Ой, глянь, обнял тебя за ручку, сынок.
นี่แน่ดีอะไอ้โอ้ผมไม่ลูกเขาอะฉันจะตีลูกฉันอะ
It's you. Wow, I'm gonna sing. Hi, babe. Oh.
Hold on, ma'am. He's on security duty. Okay, fine. Just this once.
Oh, okay. This is happening.
No words needed, just two little souls, perfectly in sync.
And she mows ahead, and the tusk comes straight towards where I'm sitting, straight through the nettle. With an enormous pound, she tips the jeep.
Time passed, but they never forgot who made them feel safe first.
Is it? hot dog.